Hello, friends. Welcome to the new video. Today, we are presenting a CNC machine from the company LUNYEE, LUNYEE 3020 Supernova. Let's take a look at what's inside the package. Buckle up and let's take a look. LUNYEE 3020 Nova, desktop CNC Router 4, wood acrylic aluminum engraving, with 710W trim router spindle. What's in the box? Package: XY axis base assembly and X axis assembly, Z axis assembly, spindle and spindle motor mount, controller board, power supply, power cord, USB cable, USB drive, emergency stop, e-stop, button, limit switch, Z-probe kit, ER11 1/8 collet, clamp kit, carving router bit set, brush, steel rule, synthetic grease, screws and cable tie Allen wrench, user manual. You can find all the necessary information in the video description. After unpacking, let's assemble the device. Step 1. Install the Z-axis bracket. You can find all the necessary information in the video description. Step 2. Secure the fixture and trimmer. Step 3. Wiring and cable management. Free software. Step 4. Install free software. You can find all the necessary information in the video description. After installing the software, we test the CNC's responsiveness. Responsiveness is perfect. It is very important that the CNC has an emergency shut-off. If anything unexpected happens, just hit the red button. To reactivate, turn the red knob and it will pop up. To be sure, let's try running the CNC, dry, without a cutting tool, one more time. The CNC is ready to work. Position the blade. We securely fasten the workpiece. You can find all the necessary information in the video description. To ensure everything works without issues, it is very important to set the blade height. We must switch on the trimmer before putting the CNC into operation. Speed 3x. Let's see how it performs on a slightly more demanding task. "3D logo of dragon." The actual creation of this 3D dragon logo took too long. I cannot show the entire process because the video would be too long. You can find all the necessary information in the video description. It turned out phenomenally in the end. So many tiny details. Excellent. Now we are going to create something of my own. We are starting from scratch and working toward the final result. We are opening the thumbnail for my YouTube channel. Choose the depth of cut carefully. Then, select the material to be processed. In this example, I chose aluminum. Select a blade. You can run a simulation of the operation. Download the G-code upon completion. Open the G-code in the program, CNC. To prevent the aluminum from sticking to the blade, add a little WD-40 spray. You can find all the necessary information in the video description. And here is the final result. I am absolutely delighted. Thanks for watching.